Here. Oh, I see him.
I'll bring him across.
He's still fighting.
Yep. Good. I'm watching it.
Where is he? There he is. No, he's in the back. Okay.
No, you're wrapped up.
He's still on.
Someone coming across. Just going from underneath, coming across. You ready? Ready?
Yep. He's big.
Alright. Side. Don't stretch out so much.
He's big.
Drop it.
Was that the single hook?
Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna shit when you see it.
Yeah, it came out already, didn't it?
Yeah, which is right on the edge of his lip.
Right. Here, I'll straighten this out.
I was doing that.
And get this fucking thing out of the way.
No, that thing was that weight was oh shit. That's a big one.
Yeah, it's a real fish.
It's a big one. Oh, the hook did finally come out.
Good.
I think. I don't see it anymore. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna need that,
It's by its belly.
I'm gonna need to clear out that back. Hey, fucking badass. Look at that shit. I need a picture of that. It's fucking awesome. Look at that shit.
Yeah. Forgot to turn on my GoPro again. I caught a 19-inch striper. Can you see it? It's kind of there. Bet he's gonna like it.
Hey, it's a fish.
Well, at least I caught a fish for the day.